Everybody likes to have a nice clean kitchen, but let's face it, accidents and messes happen. And if you've ever pulled your stove out from the wall and taken a look at everything that's on the side of your stove and that falls between the stove and your counter, it is absolutely disgusting. And that's why I'm happy to be talking with you today about these stove gap covers. These covers fit perfectly between your countertop and stove. And you can see this little flat piece which goes between both surfaces. It keeps this cover in place so it doesn't slide back and forth. And when it is in place, it creates a barrier so that if you spill or dump anything by accident, it won't go and get all over the side of your stove or your cupboards, eliminating that nasty mess that you would have to clean up. These covers come in sizes ranging from 21 to 30 inches. This is the 21-inch version, and as you can see, it fits pretty much perfect. I just start with the edge of my countertop and put this little flat piece in between my stove and countertop, and then just go along. Now, if you want or need a longer one and one of the sizes that is offered isn't perfect for you, you can also trim these very easily with a scissors. These covers are also heat resistant, so I haven't had to worry about anything melting them so far. And as far as cleanup is real easy. I just rinse them off with soap and water in the sink, and that's all that I've needed to do. But because they're heat resistant, you can also put them in the dishwasher. These covers come in the clear silicone, which these are, white, and black. If you don't like the look of silicone, they also have the narrower metal versions of the silver and black made out of steel that would again fit right in between that little gap between your stove and the countertop. I have to admit that when we first ordered these, we didn't know how much we would like them. And after using them for about a month, we absolutely love them. We cannot tell you how many times it saved us from having to clean between the stove and the counter. These are an absolute essential item in our kitchen going forward. I hope this video has helped.